Hello, respected judges. Today I am here to present Skill Mitra, an AI powered platform that empowers rural communities through personalized career guidance and skill development. India's rural workforce is full of untapped potential, but millions of people in this region struggle to find the right skill for sustainable careers. The challenges they face are not just about unemployment, they include a lack of structured career guidance, irrelevant or outdated training, and most importantly, financial constraints. Fortunately, most exciting learning platforms offer generic pathways that don't consider the user's background, local job market, or aspirations. As a result, engagement is low and people drop out before they can see the real outcomes. Skill Mitra is an AI based career guidance platform designed specifically for rural users. It offers personalized skill building recommendations based on three key factors: return on investment, local job market demand, individual interest and background. To ensure users stay committed to their learning journey, Skill Mitra follows a pay and refund model. Let's say a course lasts 10 months. The user pays a small fee of 100 upfront. As they make progress, each month 10 rupees is refunded. By the end, they get the full amount back, making it virtually free while also keeping them motivated and engaged throughout the course. Skill Mitra is built using several advanced technologies. Natural language processing is used to understand user profiles and preferences. Clustering algorithms like K-means and DB scan group users based on their aspirations and skill levels. We also use Google Analytics to improve platform usability and Google Workspace and Colab for AI model training and team collaboration. Users begin by creating a profile with their education, current skills, and career interests. The AI then analyzes this data and recommends a personalized skill path with predicted ROI. As users complete courses, they earn back their enrollment fee month by month. They are also connected to mentors, local training centers, and government schemes for hands-on support. By focusing on rural learners and their unique needs, we aim to help them build sustainable, meaningful careers and move one step closer to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal of no poverty. Before we get you started on your learning journey, I would love to know a little more about you. Firstly, what are you into? Like, what skill or field are you interested in exploring? Maybe web development, or data science, UI, or something else. Also, what's your current education qualification? Are you in school, pursuing a degree, or maybe already graduated? Have you done anything in this field before? It's totally fine if you haven't. Just want to know if you have had any prior exposure, even if it's just the basics. And finally, how much time do you think you can dedicate each week to learning? That will help us recommend something that fits your schedule. Once I have your answer, I'll suggest the best course for you and add you to a learning group or platform where you can start building your skills right away. Guiding careers, empowering futures. The problem is that millions of students and job seekers struggle with career direction, unclear pathways, lack of guidance, and irrelevant job listening. The solution is that Career Path Co is a smart, personalized career guidance platform. We collect key user data like age, education, experience, and goals and match them with their relevant jobs and internships tailored to their profile. Personalized career info form, AI-based job matching, localized job listing with Apply Now, built-in AI assistance, clean, user-friendly interface. Impact is that we are building not just a job board, but a career enabler, especially for youth in undeserved regions. Our mission is empowering individuals with career guidance and opportunities through technology. With your support, we can scale this platform and guide millions toward meaningful careers. In conclusion, Skill Mitra is not just another learning app, it's a career transformation ecosystem that brings together AI technology, financial empowerment, and human connection. And thank you so much for your time and attention.